Hello everyone, my name is Neylon Silva and I'm here speaking about SAP Cloud Integration. In the previous video, we explained about how to create your account to have access to BTP. Today, I will show how you access the BTP Trial account and configure everything where you're able to use the SAP Cloud Integration, okay? To have this access, you need to open this link here, cockpit HANA Trial on demand.com, okay? I will put this link in the description of this video, okay? You can check and click, copy and paste in your browser. When you click, let's move again. Then you ask if you put your email that you have created in the last class, okay? I put my email here, okay? The password. In my case here, I have many accounts linked in the same email. Don't care about. I will select each one. For you, have only one, but for me, have more. In the future, you understand this better. I will explain in the course about this, okay? But I select the first, in my case here. I accept the terms of the BTP, okay? After the logon, you see this screen, okay? You need to select the environment when we're creating your Subaccount, okay? Your BTP account. I will select in my case here, United States. I put in create account and it was creating the BTP account now for us, okay? Have one thing different here when you're creating a trial account and a paid account for the clients, okay? You see here that he created the sub-account for us. He was saying that he's created the global account, the sub-account, the org, and the space, okay? But when you was working in a client, you need to create this by your hand. Not care about that, because I will explain this in the front of the course. You'll be so clear how to create everything about BTP in the course, okay? Okay, then you finish to create. I click here in continue. And now I click here, go to your trial account. This is the screen of BTP, okay? Like I said to you, he create here my sub-account. The sub-account trial, that inside of the sub-account that you can create instance your integration suite and work in SAP Cloud Integration. Now, what is sub-account? Sub-account is a way that you organize your system. Normally, when you work in companies, you have one dev system, one test system, and production system, okay? It's a kind of thing that is possible here. Example, I can edit here the trial and put another name. I put here dev Neylon Corporation CPI. But I'm saying here that this is my dev account for the company Neylon Corporation about CPI. You need to understand the BTP is not only for integration suite or the SAP Cloud Integration. Have many kind of tools inside the BTP. You see here that you can instance many kind of tools there, okay? Okay, in trial account, you can have only one sub-account, okay? Okay, you can click here and create sub-account, but it's not able to you create one new instance of integration suite, okay? It's only one. Okay, create KS Neylon. Bota aqui, test Neylon Operation API. Select the region that you want, United States, in my case here. You can subdomain here, I can change if I want. I can put on like that, or on like that, but to the side, okay? Click and create. Hey, I'm creating my Subaccount. Only you know how to create, okay? You don't use this account in the course, but it's only for you know how this working. I believe that watching the previous video about BTP that explained all the steps here in BTP and it's clear for you how this is working, okay? I will continue here how to create the instance of integration suite to activate your SAP Cloud integration. Click here in Subaccount. It's open here. This is the Subaccount. You see in the left side here, the screen, you have Service Marketplace and Instance and Subscriptions, okay? Instance subscriptions here, I can came here, you see don't have instance created here yet. Only the service that is created for default for the BTP, for the Subaccount, in the trial account only, okay guys? For your instance, the integration suite, you can click here in create, search here integration suite. You need to understand SAP Cloud integration, it was a tool inside of integration suite. Okay, one of the tools have more tools inside the integration suite. Your client buy integration suite, not the SAP Cloud integration. Okay, click here in create and start to create the instance here. When you was creating, I show other thing. You have the Service Marketplace here in the left. Okay. If you click here, it's the same idea of the instance and subscription. If I search here, integration suite, it's here too. I can create in the for this side here too. Okay, it's the same. I create here or create instance subscriptions. Okay, it's the same. Go in security here, users. After the instance, you create the instance of the integration suite. You can see your user here. Have a signal, in the small signal here. You click, go in assign hold collections, and put all the collections that you have here in your Subaccount. You need to understand that these roles only appear after you activate the service. Okay, I activate the integration suite. I have the roles of integration suite. If I activate the Fiori, I have the access the roles of the Fiori here too. Okay, I assign. I go in my instance and subscriptions. I will click integration suite. You can see here that have no tools yet. I need to put the capabilities. You click in EDD capabilities. And here it's all the service that it's able inside of integration suite. We'll talk more about the CPI, okay, the SAP Cloud integration. But we will activate everything for you know how to activate everything. Maybe you want to learn about everything. But in this course, we will explain how to use the SAP Cloud integration. Normally, 90% of the integration in the companies, it's using integration suite, SAP Cloud integration, okay? It's more normal, okay? You click next. I click here in next. I enable here. I can enable graph. Maybe it's not working. I don't know if it's accepted. I put graph too. But next and activate. Guys, you need time, okay? Normally this kind of thing use 30 minutes, an hour to create everything here, okay? Like I said to you, this is the SAP Cloud integration, the tool that we more use in this course. I will stop the video a little and back when he have finished all the processing, because normally he spend 1 hour to do this. Okay guys? Okay guys, it finished the creation. Okay, you can see that activate everything here. Then I click in OK. You can see my screen how that you have the capabilities here. Okay, this was the integration suite. It is not working yet. Why is not working yet? Because you create all the services. Like I said before, after you instance the things, the tools, you have the roles to put. You can back here in BTP, the tab of BTP, go in users, select your users again, click the signal here, the end line, assign role collections. Have more roles to put now. You can put everything that have here. Assign. Okay, let's see now. You click here instance and subscriptions. And here we have integration switch. Let me see now. If I click here in design, I have the integration and APIs here now. Okay. If I click here, this is the screen of SAP Cloud Integration. Guys, I will stop in this video now. In the next video, I will explain about everything here in Integration Suite. Okay guys, thanks so much. See you in next video.